is a joyful cheer. A very Merry Christmas, oh, let me hear. Yes, very Merry Christmas without old tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Very Merry Christmas. Oh, we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas. I keep so near every light, every soul from every friend that comes along. Very Merry Christmas to you.
It's my favorite part of it all, when you and me deck the halls, making everything look just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied, Disney bona fide. And so are all of you. Does this come true? These few days go by so fast, I wish I could somehow make them last. Put it in a bottle, stick a label on, saying do not open till summer comes. Right now let's savor this, and underneath the mistletoe get a kiss. The rest of the year may be hard to come by, so right now I'm gonna give it a try. And so are all of you. Does this come true?
What is up, you guys? Good morning. Today is another gloomy, chilly day. It is definitely cold outside. Winter is here now. My daughter reminded me that winter has arrived officially. I'm sitting here having my morning tea, but I put it in my little Spo to-go cup because we are actually about to walk out the door. I have some last minute things to get from the grocery store, and I'm trying to get out and get them as early as possible because I know it's gonna be hectic out there. I really don't like to be out when it's a huge crowd. So we're gonna make a run to the grocery store, pick up what we need, and then come back and finish getting in the kitchen. I have my cookie recipe that I need to make. I didn't get to make it because I was missing a few ingredients. Also want to make some coquito. My aunt has passed down this recipe, has been in our family for a long time, and my aunt has been so kind to pass the recipe down to me. So I was gonna give it a try, give it a go. Shout out to Titia Net for sharing her family recipe with me. So it's gonna be an eventful day. A lot of things on the agenda to get ready for family, just getting organized and planning so that I'm not bombarded with so much stuff in one day. Of course, you guys are gonna be a part of it. You're coming with, and it's just gonna be another day in the life, a holiday day in the life. And I'm gonna stop talking and get to these stores.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Oh, oh. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. Oh, oh. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe.
It is hectic out there, you guys. We made it out there, and I thought we were going early, but I guess everybody else thought they were going early as well. Trader Joe's was a madhouse. Couldn't even get past the aisles to get what you needed. But nonetheless, we made it back home. Just put on me a little cozy Christmas top. I had on a bulky sweater. I'm not gonna be able to get in the kitchen and do what I need to do with that sweater, so I just got changed out. See, I also went to the ABC store, and the shelves were literally wiped out. There wasn't anything on the shelves. I managed to make something work, but it wasn't exactly what I had in mind. But I'm about to get started on the Coquito, and I'm gonna make my cookies. Time to get in the kitchen, because the day is just getting away from me. Time to make my turtle cookies. These cookies are so good. I only make these for Christmas. I'm so excited to be finally making them again. Let's just jump into making these cookies.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all them elves. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me, as tight as can be. It's been that way forever. Guess we're shapes that go together. Everyone can use a little vacation, even if life on the North Pole is cool. But don't worry, my dear hubby, I'm making my way home to you. So Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children.
That recipe made 2 bottles of Coquito. It looks delicious. I added some extra cinnamon sticks in there per her instruction. She told me to do that. So they are in there looking yummy. I'm about to get these into the refrigerator. Coquito is done. Had a little extra, so I'm about to give it a little taste. Oh my gosh. This is the bomb.com. Thank you again to my Titi for sharing her family recipe with me. I'm excited to be able to share this with my extended family this weekend. My in-laws will be here, my siblings will be here, so I'm excited for them to be able to try it as well. I'm about to just get cozy on the couch and get some editing done, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. Thanks for hanging out with me today, you guys. Don't forget to please give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me down in the comment section below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Sable for big and for small.